Why you should soak chia seeds before eating them. Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. Chia is a food that has become well known recently, in light of its various health benefits. These seeds, local to Central America, have remained the primary food of people who live in that region, and isn't a coincidence. Chia has a lot more calcium than milk, which makes it perfect for individuals who are lactose intolerant and vegans. It has a larger number of antioxidants than blueberries. It is almost 4 times richer in iron than spinach, and it contains twice as much fiber as oats. In addition to giving a great deal of energy to the body, its utilization increases muscle quality and endurance, helps with weight reduction, satisfies hunger, and brings down blood sugar. Nonetheless, not everything about chia is beneficial. It likewise carries a few dangers along with it. In this video we'd like to discuss those risks. Within a study published by Dr. Rebecca Rall on the American College of Gastroenterology website, she clarifies that chia can grow up to 27 times its size in the stomach. Therefore, people who suffer from acid reflux or have issues swallowing should abstain from consuming it. It's also imperative to be mindful to only eat the seeds after they expand in water. The growth and development of chia inside the body causes problems in the esophagus and stomach. Blood pressure is additionally a medical issue that should be taken into consideration by chia lovers, in light of the fact that the seed greatly reduces blood pressure. If you eat chia seeds routinely, ensure that your blood pressure are at normal levels. A few medications can also interfere negatively with chia, resulting in serious issues. Diabetics should likewise be on alert since chia reduces blood sugar. Since it's high in fiber, it's very valuable for those who experience constipation. Therefore, individuals who experience the ill effects of frequent diarrhea should stay away from it. In the wake of hearing these things, don't automatically assume that chia is a bad food. It's quite the opposite. Knowing its dangers and how it interacts within your body, you can eat it and effectively take advantage of its benefits. Do you like to eat chia? How do you prepare it? Let us know in the comments. Check out the description for our recommended supplements for overall health. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.